What's up, y'all? Domino 7 here. Okay. Alright. So, anyway, things is going good with me so far. You know. And it's a blessing. Okay. Alright. So, anyway, I got some exciting news to tell y'all. Okay. My girl Nailah, my baby Nailah is coming back to the Domino 7 show. Coming back to the Domino 7 studios, coming back to the Domino 7 castle, okay? Yes, indeed. So she's back. She's back in the Domino 7 studios, okay? So y'all gonna be seeing Nailah sometime, okay? Yes, indeed. Ain't that some good news? I know it is, okay? Some of you been following me for a while, okay? Some of y'all watch my old videos that I re-uploaded from different channels and stuff like that. And you know something? I want to let y'all know something. You see these here? What I got, these envelopes, is for Nailah. You know, God bless me to have Nailah to come back over here. So, anyway, I think this is her birthday card that I owed her, you know. For someone special, for someone very special, and she is very special in my heart, okay? You know what? Nailah not gonna watch this video right now until I show her this video when she come over tomorrow, okay? So I'm gonna let y'all know. She not watching it unless I'm showing her the video, unless she show her friends or her mom or whoever, you know, okay? I'm going to read this to her just in case she's watching. I know she's watching. Okay. Here's wishing you a birthday filled with happy things to you. Sometimes I screw up on my reading, you know. So I may not screw up on my reading, so it's okay. Let me finish. A birthday that turns out to be as wonderful as you. Okay. I wrote to Nailah, a.k.a. Pooh, from Brian, a.k.a. Domino 7. Okay? For someone special, true to my heart. So, I almost ripped this card up, you know. And here's something I got for her for Valentine's Day, okay? Last Valentine's Day, I asked her to be my Valentine. And she said yes. And then she said she never had a Valentine before. On Valentine's Day and always, okay, you have a very special place in my heart, okay? Yeah, and that's true, okay? I am very happy that she's coming back, you know? I'm happy to the long haul, you know? Yes, indeed, you know? What a blessing, okay? And I can't wait for y'all to see her tomorrow, okay? If I upload the video tomorrow, okay? Alright, so I already uploaded a couple of videos with Latoya, you know? Okay? Alright, so that's all Domino 7 got to say. She's coming back to the Domino 7 show, okay? Thank y'all for watching, okay? My vlog. Bye-bye.